OAWALKER here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Spigen Easy Fit, the tempered glass screen protector. This is the privacy version, so I'll show you once I have it installed. So once you turn your phone to the side, you won't be able to see the screen. So if you have someone sitting next to you and you're typing something personal on your phone, they can't see your screen. So I do like it, and I'm very interested to see how this works. So we're going to unbox it and take a look at it. Oh, there's some tape on the side. I will get my trusty scissors and get these off. So this does come with two screen protectors. If you're interested in this, I'll have the link to the Amazon, but you can get it from Amazon down below, and you can go check it out. One thing I love about these cases is the application is so easy. You can see it has kind of like a grey tint to it. You can actually see it on camera. As I'm tilting it to the side, it goes completely back, and it's clear at the front. So if you have someone sitting next to you trying to peep at what you're doing, they can't see. That'll be interesting. So you have your phone, you place it on your phone, you pull back the strip here, you press it, slide your finger along here, and it installs. It'll be a perfect fit every time. This is one of the reasons why I love this screen protector. I've had this screen protector on my previous phones as well, and I love it. Easy to install, especially for the type of person who is very nervous about installing screen protectors. You don't want to mess it up or get bubbles in there, or you make sure you want to make sure it's aligned properly. Get this screen protector. It will save a lot of hassle. So here you have a lens clean and wipe, and you have a cloth, and you have stickers as well, dust removal stickers. So that is handy to have. But also it comes with a squeegee as well, and this squeegee is actually pretty good. It's like a hard plastic. Then you got the kind of like a soft material here, so you could scrape against your phone and you won't scratch the screen protector or damage it at all. So that's pretty handy. So for this, we're going to need one of these. We could leave the instructions, and we could put this back in the box. Keep this as a spare, just in case you crack this one, you got a spare one. So let's put that to one side. So what we're going to do, instructions are here. We could focus in. So you clean your device first, you peel back the films, you place it over the phone, and then you can see your finger. You just go back and forth, and then you remove the sticker, lift the plastic case back off, and then you remove the protective film and use a squeegee to squeegee out any remaining bubbles, and that is about it. I'm going to be doing the install on camera to show you how easy it is. All right, let's go. So I've got my phone here. If you look at the this itself, you can see it says top. So this goes at the top of the device here, and what you do, you place it down here. You can do a test fit just to make sure it fits, and it should just kind of fit snug into place. Obviously you remove it, and then okay, let's get this installed. So you can see I've just finished the installation now. Pretty simple and straightforward, as you can see. You literally just put it over, press it down. There's a little marker on there that says you have to wait 30 seconds. So you wait 30 seconds, and then you take it off, take the casing off that covers the phone, and then there's another plastic protective layer on top of that. You peel that off, and look, it's literally the perfect installation. anybody could do this. Absolutely anybody could do this. It's so simple, so straightforward. Especially if you're struggling to install screen protectors, use this screen protector. It has like pretty much 100% success rate. You won't have any problems installing it at all, and it's literally perfect. It's installed and ready to go. I didn't even have to use the included squeegee because there's literally no bubbles at all. And you can see how the screen protector fits around the edges and around the camera cut out at the top. It's literally just perfect. And let's see the privacy screen as well, like I said before. So let's unlock this. So if you go to the side, if someone's trying to look at your phone sitting next to you, it literally goes blank. And then as you come, you're looking at it straight on, you can see it perfectly fine. Same thing if you go to this side, it literally just goes black. You could barely see a little bit of it. You can just see how the technology is. It's pretty dope. I love the privacy screen. Just gives you that extra bit of privacy, because you know a lot of people are looking at your phone. You might have your banking app open or writing a message or personal email. You know, you just want to keep things private. This is definitely the screen protector to get. Like I said before, I have the link to it down below in the description if you want to pick it up off of Amazon. Let me know what you think of the screen protector and how easy it was to fit. Leave all that good stuff in the comment section down below. That is about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.